Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can convert Spay Later into GCash. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will start our video. So to do that, it's actually a very easy method, but you have to make sure that you go through the steps accordingly. So first of all, you have to ensure that your Spay Later balance is properly integrated with GCash, right? So for that, this usually happens when you simply sign up for GCash using Spay Later right over there. Then afterwards, you simply have to navigate to the home page of your GCash app, and from over there simply go to the GCredit section. Once you have gone to GCredit section, you're going to be tapping on over there, and that should access you this option. You can see the My Wallet section, and as highlighted you can see Spay Later, where you simply have to tap on it, and you will have a further process given to you on screen. Simply follow out the information, add in the amount, which will be converted to your GCash for you to simply withdraw or use it further on your GCash app. One thing that you have to make sure is you have to simply sign up on GCash using Spay Later for you to be connected. Then later on, simply go to the GCredit section and tap on the GCredit option. That should lead to you this option. Now tap on the highlighted option and follow the further process and prompts to confirm it. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.